Must-have tools for getting long natural hair.
Let's talk about rat tail combs. It is very important for me to have a rat tail comb on deck because most of the time I style my own hair, and rat tail combs is what I use for my parts. So rat tail combs definitely a must. Hair clips is something that I keep tricking myself into believing that I don't need, but I always end up buying because whenever I'm sectioning off my hair and I'm about to do a hairstyle or a treatment, what have you, I always need hair clips. So hair clips for me definitely a must. A shower cap is also very important for me. Like for instance, when I am doing hair treatments, bonding treatments, deep conditioning treatments, I need like a plastic thing to put on my head in order to help trap that heat. Shower caps, I have like 3 shower caps and I use that for my treatments just to lock in the heat. Yeah, this is what I use to promote heat, like excess heat in my hair whenever I'm doing my treatments. Like whenever it gives us light, I use the bonnet attachment and my blow dryer to help promote a good amount of heat when I'm doing my hair treatments. Then last but not the least is just the blow dryer on its own. If I need to like get my hair dry quickly, yeah, obviously a blow dryer needs to be on deck. So blow dryer for me must. Hair shears is definitely a must because I need to be taking off my split ends at least twice a year, and the best hair tool for doing that are hair shears. Next up is satin or silk bonnets. I never go to bed, even naps, I never do any of those without protecting my hair with satin or silk. A wide tooth comb, I use that like when I'm taking care of small sections because brushes are a little bit cumbersome when you are dealing with really small sections. So I go into those sections with my anti-static wide tooth comb. I'm going to be using the Smooth Organics yet again. When detangling my hair, I always have to use some type of detangling tool, and my detangling tool of choice is a detangling brush. I have a detangling comb. It's extremely painful for my scalp. I prefer to use the comb when I am detangling like really small sections. So detangling tools for me definitely a must. Now see, I'm done detangling with the brush. I am just going to go in to verify and clarify, that there are no tangles. So everything is going, no tangles so far and no breakage. A good spray bottle is something that I have always needed for my natural hair, just to quickly rehydrate it whenever it's getting dry instead of just running to the washroom and dunking my hair under water. This spray bottle really comes in clutch. That's it for this video. If you liked, if you are interested in seeing more videos from me, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Cheers and love you.